Hello students, welcome to Organic Chemverse YouTube channel. Today I have picked some more questions from Organic Chemistry for NEET by Balaji publication. And the author of the book is MS Chouhan. I highly recommend this book for NEET students. Let's solve the 28 question number 28. Now, which among the following alkanes cannot be prepared by Wurtz reaction? Now, what is Wurtz reaction? You know that in this named reaction, a haloalkane react in presence of sodium in ether solvent to form an alkane. This alkane will always have double the number of carbon as that of reactant. Look at the options given: hexane, cyclohexane, methane and isobutane. In option C, that is methane, it has only one carbon. So obviously we can't start the reaction with half a carbon. Therefore, the right option, that is an alkane which cannot be prepared by Wurtz reaction, is methane. Therefore, the right option is C. Let's take up the question number 29. Which one of the following is reduced with zinc amalgam in HCl to give the corresponding hydrocarbon? When you look at the reaction condition given, you need to identify what reaction or what reagent it is. Most of the reactions or reagents given will be named, like in this case Wurtz reaction. Here it's a Clemmensen reduction or Clemmensen reaction or Clemmensen reducing reagent. When do we use this condition? Whenever we have an aldehyde or a ketone. The reaction is very specific. The reagent is very specific with respect to the reactants given. So zinc, mercury in HCl, this is a reducing agent, reduces aldehyde and ketone to corresponding alkane. So let's go through the options given. Ethyl acetate, which is an ester, therefore it cannot be A. Butanone, yeah, it is a ketone, so it is B. Acetamide, it is an amide, so not possible. Acetic acid, the functional group is carboxylic acid, therefore that is also not possible. So the right option is option B. When you have such options and you are very confident that the reaction happens with aldehyde and ketone, you just look for a molecule which is aldehyde or ketone and directly choose the answer so that you can save some time. Let's move on to the 30th question. The given reactant is a Grignard reagent. It is reacting with D2O. D2O is a deuterated water. So you are replacing hydrogens from water by deuterium. How to predict the products? So it's always better to write the reaction in this case because the options are almost similar or it's a bit confusing, right? So in that case, always better write down the reaction. Either you can show a bond here or you can always show the corresponding charge. Both are correct. Okay, it's reacting with water, deuterated water. We know oxygen will be partially negative, deuterium is partially positive. The negative will attack the positive charge. So what we are going to get, the product structure would be, the methyl groups are intact, no rearrangement, nothing. Okay, now this is picking up the deuterium. Now look for the product, how it is given. The carbon is attached to 3 methyl groups. So CH3, 3. And there is a carbon and there is a deuterium. This is the overall structure and this is a condensed structure. You should know how to convert a condensed structure to the actual structure of the molecule, bond line structures of the molecules, so that it would be easier to identify the molecule. Now the right option is option C. Thank you for watching this video.